welcome back to my channel once again, team. So today I have a product from Razer. This is a universal mobile gaming controller for only Android mobile phones. I got I just got delivered this from Amazon today morning. Okay, this seems the seal is already tampered. So by the way guys, I just got this purchase for 3,500 rupees. Alright, so this is from Razer and this is a kind of controller using which you can set up your phone between this and start playing on Android games and emulators and Xbox games. I'm not sure, I never played all those things. So let's quickly unbox this thing. Just bear with me. Okay, so just unboxed, and on the top there is a controller directly. See, there's a charging port over here. These are the joysticks and ABXY buttons and Xbox key dedicatedly, and then we have menu buttons. So it says hold this to remove. Okay, all right, so this is how it opens. See, it is stretchable, you can set up any mobile phone in this. All right, so let's keep this aside, and inside this box, okay, just a user manual, nothing else. Okay, just keep this aside. So I have my Razer phone, as I have shared few previous videos about this mobile phone. So the only good thing is this controller as well as mobile phone, both are from Razer itself. So that is the only good thing. Not sure how good this thing will perform. So I'll just set this mobile phone into this first. Okay, it goes very tight inside. Perfect. Okay guys, do you see? This is how it looks. Okay, let me just download and Razer Kishi application first. Okay, the Razer app is getting installed. Meanwhile, this looks very sturdy and all looks to be fine. The buttons and controller looks very handy, and it is surprisingly very lightweighted. You know, it's not that hard or heavy which can affect you, but this seems all good, no problems. Okay, the application has been downloaded.